This gate I have here can be used for pets or kids. This one has 6 panels. To open the gate, press the button, move this one, and the door opens. Easy closure.
Okay.
I got my animals in the gate here. To open it, push up the button, pull that back, and it opens. You just, and it clips. Very sturdy, very heavy gate. It does come with extra hardware to attach it to the wall. You could open it up and put it around a Christmas tree or a chair or something to block a child or an animal from getting into something. Very nice, heavy, sturdy playpen or gate.